Hello, 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 everybody. How are y'all doing? I hope y'all are doing amazing. I got a couple of things I want to show y'all. One is an unbagging, one is a unboxing. Yeah, but they go together. So, I'm trying to decide on which one I want to do. All together, we can do something similar to that. Okay. This one was not closed very well. That's out of the bag. I ordered all of these 2 days ago on Amazon. Yes. Now, there's this. Now I'm going to bring this into the picture. So, hold on. Let me open the box. Here's the surgery. Get the lid on the knife. Safety first. I got some doodle paper. Oh. And we got this. And this puppy is heavy. So which should I open first? Should it be this one or this one? It's not like I won't have anything to do because I'm expecting to order again tomorrow from someone else. Yes, I am. Okay, we're going to open the small one first. So, set this aside. Okay. We may open this one first. There it is. Now this one goes with that one. As soon as I open this, you're going to know what I got. So, it's all good. We got a standard boat, thing of wax, and a drill pin. I'm sorry about the angle of this, but yeah, it's one of those things. Ooh, pretty colors, and they do look to have. Nope, they don't have DMC codes on them. It's the canvas code. Now this is a small picture, but it does go with the bigger pictures. And there you have it. It's the peacocks. They are going to be pretty when finished, but I wish I could have got a bigger size. I'll have to look, see if I can find one that's bigger. Let's see, are you sticky? He's sticky. And there are 20 colors in this one. It doesn't say how big it is. But on this, it does have the GMC codes. It's got 820. Woo! Okay, my new favorite blue is 820. It's a bright but dark blue. Yes. Drill time. Let's see. Gotta readjust the light. Hold on. See, they're bright, but they're dark. And it's trying to thunder and lightning again. And we all know what number 10 is, don't we? That's 939. And I'm loving all these colors. A lot of blues. See, I also like this one, which is 3843. It's really cheap. Okay. I have a headache, so y'all bear with me. I gotta get rid of it before the DP-a-thon. So there's that. Set this right here for right now. And I'm going to move this, and now we're going to see some of my progress on Tulethia here. So, the next item that I'm going to unbox is, y'all have seen this one complete. If y'all follow my sister's channel, that is, y'all have seen these completed, because she did a my stash reveal, or completed stash, or however you want to call that, and they were in hers. So, and I've been wanting to get this ever since she got hers, so I finally broke down and ordered it. But for those that have not seen my sister's reviews, we're going to do some surgery here and get into it. You ready? Alright. This is what's in the box. Maybe. This box has a handle. Alrighty. Box is empty. That's heavy. You gotta unbox it to unbag it. Get out of the bag. Whoa. Get it all lined up real quick. Ah. I'm having issues. needing to get it to roll the opposite direction a little bit. But it's not wanting to. Because this canvas is super stiff. Sorry for bumping y'all. Oh wow. That's yeah. Oh wow. That's the drills. Wow. That's a lot of drills. I don't think I got a container big enough to hold those. Ooh. We'll have to see what I got. We'll open those here in just a minute. One at a time. Right? Maybe? Okay. Here's this one. I gotta lay these out to let them flatten out. Wait. Does it have special drills? Ooh. Look at those special drills. They're gonna be gorgeous. So, yes. There's that one. This is the chalice. Gorgeous. And here's the other one. Now, I wanted to see how close these paintings come to looking like each other. There's the big one. And there's the small one. So yeah, they'll go together pretty good. The big one, this is the mommy and the daddy one. And these are the babies. That's what I'm looking at. I know the colors are not the right for all that, but you get my point. Yes. And these will also match the special drill that I did that's hanging on the wall over there. So, yay me. This is going to be so fun. Okay, hold on. Drill time. Okay, on these big ones, there's 20 colors as well. So, 20 and 20. We're doing good. That's including the special drills. So, let's find the opening for this bad boy. There it is. Mind the crinkle. I know a lot of people don't like it, but I do. That means I get to do another diamond painting. Alright. Give me one of the bags. I just want one. And they're labeled like that. That's number one. That's pretty cool. They took the air out of this so it wouldn't all move around. One. There's two. There's three. There's 4. There's 5. 5. Anyway. They have a line under them, so you'll know which one's which. Ooh, there's a lot of 5s in there. 6. It's close, but not quite. This one doesn't have my color in it, so. There's 7. 8. 9. 10. Yes, there's brown in there. Huh. I'll have to go look at Ginger's again. 11. 12. 13. 14, which is 939. Now I like this 15 here. It's 995. That's pretty. 16. 17. 3843, which is 18, is also pretty. Now, mind you, they're blue, so of course I'm going to think they're pretty. And here's where it comes in. Fun. This is 5200 AB. Yes, 5200 AB. This has AB gems. Look at that. Aren't they gorgeous? And the AB stands for Aurora Borealis. It has that extra pearl coat to it. I love those. So pretty. And then, number 20 is the special gems. They're teardrops with little swirl patterns and they're glitter fine. So, very, very beautiful. So, now he's back down. Lay down. Y'all are tired. Lay down. Y'all had a long trip. Y'all got jet lag. Lay down. And away. Because I'm not sure when I will get to these. I keep them in the bag. And I've got a tube that I'm going to put these bad boys in. But there's all the drills this direction. Yeah, that's a lot of drills. But it's going to be fun. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Choice is yours, you know what I mean. You can do it. I hope you like these paintings because I like them, but I'm telling you now, it's going to be quite a long time before I get to them because I got so much other stuff I got to get done. And some of the paintings that are due to come in tomorrow, yeah, one of them at least is taking priority. I more or less got these because I wanted them, and I wanted to get them before they quit having them on sale. So, yeah. I wanted them, so I got them. I figure it like this. I work hard for the money that I make. I might as well get what I want when I want it, right? So, again, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more videos, unboxing videos, come back to my channel. If you've... Okay, this box is already on. If you want to see more videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified when I post something new, because I'm not awake yet, so y'all please forgive me. But if y'all want to be notified when I post something, unboxing or something along those lines, go ahead and hit that bell. That's right. Ring my ding-a-ling. And see if I can get a better light on this picture. Okay. All I have left on this gorgeous piece is this section. Let's see. Woo-hoo. See, I've got this section right here to go, and then oh, look at that sparkle, and a little baby bit left in this section. So, and then Talithia Kun will be done. I'm thinking about doing a little whip-in chat, but I'm not sure, because here in a little bit I gotta go work on my vehicles. Hey. So anyway, y'all stay safe in all you do. Above all, stay true to you. Bye.